Hello, my name's Dave Gilbert with Pretorian Technologies. In this video I'd like to introduce BlueLine, a very flexible joystick that can connect to almost any Bluetooth device. In this first video I'm going to show you how to connect it and how to begin using it. If you're connecting to a PC, a Mac or an Android device, all you need to do is look for it in the available connections in your Bluetooth menu, in the same way as you would Bluetooth headphones or perhaps a Bluetooth speaker. Once you see it available, tap or click on it and it will connect immediately. To set it up on an iOS device, however, the process is a little bit more involved, and we'd like to show you that in a little bit more detail next. So the first thing that we must do is connect the BlueLine to the iPad. Those of you who've perhaps already got an applicator or an iSwitch will be familiar with going into the settings menu and then Bluetooth, and then, for example, we've already got an iSwitch that's been connected here in the past. Now, even if I wake up the BlueLine and the red light starts to flash to show me that it's trying to connect, you won't see it appear in this menu. Instead, what you must do is, beginning from home, go into settings and then accessibility, and then touch, assistive touch, devices, and then Bluetooth devices. And then you'll see it appear in the list but not yet connected. So if I tap on that now, it'll take about 20 seconds to connect. So it's now connected, and what I must now do is go back to the Assistive Touch menu and turn on Assistive Touch with this slider at the top. And as soon as I do, if I go back to the home screen, you will see for a start the Assistive Touch menu appears, and if you don't like it where it is, by the way, then you can pick it up and put it somewhere else. It must always be on the edge of the screen though. But importantly, the other thing you're going to see is the cursor appear, and it's always a circle. You won't ever see a pointer in the same way as you would on a computer. But you can set the colour and you can set the size and so on. But you'll see immediately I've got movement using the joystick, and of course you can set the speed on the BlueLine, and we'll show you how to do that in another video. In terms of the buttons, we've got left click, which is select item. We've got right click, which brings up the Assistive Touch menu, and to come out of there I just click anywhere away from it. And then the middle button is home. So for example, if I was in the camera app, then I press the middle button, it will immediately take me back to the home screen. Those of you who are familiar with the Optima, which looks very similar to BlueLine, will know that it's a switch adapted, as of course is BlueLine, and on the Optima the buttons are set to whatever the left and right buttons are set to. That's not the case with BlueLine. You've got complete free choice, so you've effectively got 5 buttons, and in this particular case by default we've got the left socket is move left, which is very useful for turning pages in iBooks, and similarly this one is move right. All of those settings can be changed, and in the next video we'll show you exactly how. Thanks for watching.